Hi guys, today in my kitchen I have made easy Rava Ladoo ya Sooji Ladoo. If you want to make quick and easy sweet recipe, try this. You will surely subscribe to my channel after making this. With these few ingredients, let's start making. Take 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 5 cardamom pods and blend it until you get a fine powder sugar. The next step, take 1 cup of Bombay Rava, that is fine Rava, and 1 cup of fresh coconut grated. You can use desiccated coconut or copra and mix it well. In a pan, add 1/4 cup of ghee, that is clarified butter, and add 10 whole cashews chopped into small pieces. When it turns to light brown color, add 1 tablespoon of raisins. When it starts to puff up, add rava and coconut mixture and mix it well. And roast the rava for 10 minutes in a low flame. This is very important step. The rava, the Sooji has been roasted well and you'll get a good aroma. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. Now add the powdered sugar mixture and mix it well. Transfer this mixture to a bowl or a big plate. Add hot milk or hot water to make Rava Ladoo. If you are a beginner, add milk gradually. Totally, I have poured 1/4 cup of milk. Use hand to mix well and make laddu. Make a round shape. If you feel your rava mixture is too dry or unable to bind, sprinkle little hot water or hot milk. Don't add too much of cashews and raisins, this will make binding difficult. After making few laddus, I felt the mixture become very dry because it was not covered. So I sprinkle little hot water. Keep it in an airtight container, it will last for 1 week. Keep this laddu for 2 hours, then start eating. And thanks for watching.